Okay, so here we are. Here we are today, and so we've got the top part of our engine tore apart. We've got the pull starter. We've got the fuel tank. We have uh, carburetor. We have the carburetor assembly taken off. We have the exhaust taken off. So the next part we're going to take off is the on and off switch, the fuel valve. Okay, this assembly right here. There are two bolts. There are three bolts here that we're going to take off. And so, um, and so the first thing we're going to do is take our long nose pliers and just simply pull the connection off there, off of the um, magneto there. And again, this is a 10 millimeter socket. Just about everything on this engine is a 10 millimeter socket. Ratchet it off real quick. Next one there. And then when you get into the shop here, I will show you how to make your own nut driver using your tools that you have. Take that, lay that off there on the side. Now we have some springs that are hooked up here. So I want to be careful with those. Okay, down here on the bottom is a spring that is hooked up to our governor. And we're just going to unhook that. Remember, it is on the bottom hook. And pull that assembly out of the way and set it over here. Then we're going to undo the boot, and we're going to take our spark plug wire out. We have a spark plug socket that we're going to put on there. And take the spark plug out. This will allow us to turn our flywheel without keeping compression inside our cylinder. Okay. And then we're going to take a couple of specialty tools that I have. This is a breaker bar with a size 19 socket. Okay. And a strap wrench. And we're going to break this nut that is on here. But first we're going to take off the magneto here. And this is a size 10 socket. Speed wrench. And a number 9. I thought it was. Maybe it's a number 8. Number 8 let's try number 8 deep, see if that works. And move the magneto out of the way. Okay. Now this strap wrench gets a little tricky. Oh, I had it right the first time. Sometimes it takes me a time or two to kind of remember how to do it because I don't use these every day. Okay? But you want to be able to hold on to it in such a way. No, I did have it right the first time. I did have it right. Yeah. I did have it right the first time. It's about a 3-man operation running this strap range sometimes. And the reason you're using a strap wrench is so that you don't bend any of these fins. That's slipping on me there. You want to get it up in here tight. You want to hold it tight so that it holds good and snug. And really, it's better if you've got a partner that works with you on this one. Okay. And once you've got it broke free, you just twist it off of there. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to run it to where the nut, where the bolt just runs top of the threads, just as such. Okay. And then I'm going to show you a trick. You take your ball peen hammer, and you take your mallet, and here's what you're going to do. You're going to take the red side, and smack it a couple times like that. Okay. And that's going to pull your vents off, and you're going to set them off to the side. And then you're going to do the same thing again. Run the nut down to where it's flush. Set that ball peen hammer on there. Set it right in the center there. But if that doesn't do the trick, I'll show you what will. Okay, sometimes they're a little snug. Again, I have specialty tools, pulleys that'll help pull these. Okay, and hopefully hopefully we can get these set all the way around. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There we go, right like such. And then we're going to take this one and take the 2 pins. And then we're going to run this right in the center. Right in the center of our bolt. And make sure that we're caught there. And then give it a good smack. And let me find the right size ratchet. Oh. And give it a little smack every once in a while. And we'll give it another smack this way. I don't think these. Let me try the longer ones. The longer ones might work. I don't know. I'll be able to get those in there. and we'll talk about it from there. I will see you in the shop.